Hello everyone. We team number 13 have been working on a project automatic tape dispenser under the guidance of Sharanappa sir. The tape dispenser is semi-automatic and user-friendly. The dispenser is able to dispense and the tape itself automatically. This system includes controllers to control the machine, so we can define our project as to design a automatic tape dispenser machine which is able to cut the tapes in different lengths. The machine should be portable and user friendly. The machine should not exceed the weight of 1 kg and able to cut 10 to 15 pieces of tapes per minute. The budget should not exceed 2000. The machine should be able to alert when the tape gets over in the machine. Coming to the part of function clustering, our project has been divided into 5 segments. In these, 4 are main functions. Those are dispensing tape, cutting tape, storing tape, and user acknowledgement. In dispensing and cutting, rotor is used to dispense the tape, and blades are used for cutting the tape. The machine has space for storing the tape. Alert signal and controlling systems comes under user acknowledgement. Subsystem identified. Casing, dispensing tape, and user acknowledgement are the subsystems identified. Generated concepts. For our course project, we have generated 4 concepts. Using PubChart analysis, we selected design 1 as our concept for the project. Design 1 is simple model which includes 2 DC motors. One DC motor is used for dispensing the tape and another DC motor is used for cutting the tape. The design also includes sensor to sense the tape. When sensor does not sense the tape, the motors will not rotate and it means there is no tape to dispense. In virtual implementation, we have designed 3D model of the concept which we have taken in concept generation. Using Autodesk inventory software, we designed 3D model of our concept. 3D model of our entire system looks like this. Our 3D design consists of 2 rectangular outer walls to support rotor and tape holder and base for storing controllers. We have created holes for fixing DC motors and sensors. The rectangular shaped structure is used for rotating tape, means it is used for dispensing tape. The blade will be present at the top of the rectangular shaped structure. After every one full rotation of rotor, the dispensing motor stops and cutting of the tape takes place. If there is no tape to dispense in the tape holder, the motor will not rotate.
Circuit diagram. For our course project, we have created a circuit diagram which consists of a DC motor, 2 relay models and 1 IR sensor and 1 Arduino board. We will control the system by displaying the code. The through Arduino IDR software sensor give input to rotate the motor and it start rotating and dispensing the tape. Now coming to the flowchart. Flowchart of the entire system is given by when we give power supply to the entire system, it will start and IR sensor sends the tape and then we give input from Arduino board, then the DC motor turns on and starts rotating and the tape starts dispensing and it stops for a while and in second motor turns on and cutting of the tape takes place and when it is done a light glows and the process repeats until the user wants. Now coming to the bill of material, casing is done using foam sheets and we have used metal blades for cutting of tape and housing of microcontroller we have used foam sheets and we have used 2 gear DC motors for rotating purpose, IR sensor for sensing of tape and Arduino Mega board for controlling and spur gears for rotating purpose.
Motor sizing and battery sizing. Motor sizing. For our course project, we require 2 DC motors. For that, we have calculated force and perpendicular distance. Hence, we calculated torque. For first motors, the force is resulted as 0.118 Newton and perpendicular distance is 9 centimeter. So the resulted torque is 1.062 Newton centimeter. So the rated RPM for first DC motor is 90 RPM. For second DC motor, the force will remain same and perpendicular distance is 12 centimeter. So the resulted torque is 1.416 Newton centimeter. So the rated RPM for second DC motor is 60 RPM. Coming to the battery sizing, current required for 12 volt DC motor is 0.20 amps. Total current required for 2 DC motors is 0.4 amps. Approximate time usage will be 3 hours and voltage is 12 volt. So the battery needed is 1.20 ampere hour. So the battery specification is 12 volt 1.2 ampere hour.
Functional specification of entire system. Function specification. Function first one is dispensing tape, and the specification is when the button is pressed. Next, cutting the tape when the button is pressed.
Simulation and modeling. For our course project, we have created Simulink model. Simulink is a software where we can create working circuit. By deploying a program, we can run circuit components. In our Simulink model, we used Arduino, IR sensor, 2 DC motors and 2 relays. This circuit is powered by 9 volts DC battery. This circuit first takes IR sensor input. Based on that, DC motors will rotate. If IR sensor input is high, the motors will rotate. If IR sensor input is low, the motors will not rotate. This means tape is not empty in tape holder, the motors will rotate, else motors will not rotate. This works according to the procedure which we followed in flowchart. This portion is program which we have deployed to the circuit. The program consists of 5 pin modes, in which 4 pin modes for DC motor and 1 pin mode is for input, that is for sensor. First, if sensor input is high, the motors will rotate, else the motors will not rotate. This is the working condition of the circuit. When IR sensor gives high input, the motors will rotate, else they will not rotate. As you can see in this model. This is acknowledgement. Thank you for listening ideas and procedure which we have followed for our project. Thank you.